There is a room inside you. No algorithm has entered. No camera filmed it, no model mapped it.
The light is on, someone has been waiting.
Tonight, we go there. They sold you a mirror and they swore the mirror's you. Fed you a feeling on a 14-second loop, till you forgot your name in the algorithmic soup. The feed became the father, the scroll became the prayer. Drowning in attention with no hand inside the air. Beneath the brand, the ache, the role you play. Unbroken silence remembers it has a soul.
Older than your womb, older than the room.
It was here before your mother held you to her chest. It'll be here when the last light fades and leaves the rest of what you are. When nothing's left to prove, that's the door, the only way to move.
You don't have to be sure.
Just be honest 1 second, that's the cure.
Drop the brand, drop the bit.
What's left is who you are.
That's the one he came here for. The invisible life,
the quiet fire,
does not need a stage,
does not need a choir.
where I say I have failed.
The soul falls low.
There the machine cannot follow.
There the machine cannot go. Every people has a word for the same thing. The place in the chest where truth begins to sting. Greeks called it Metanoia, Hebrews called it shove. Arabs called it tall, but grandmother called it enough. The costume falls, the mask cracks. The disguise comes off rough. Not weakness, the strongest move a human tries. To stand without a story and admit before the skies you were lost. The self you were performing was a fraud. The version you were selling was a stranger to your God. Empire cannot teach it, market cannot price the cause. The data cannot count the weight of what is moving. When a human heart remembers it was more than playing a part. Listen close. What's coming is not a robot with a gun. A feed so tuned to your hunger. You forget you are hungry for anything else. A church shaped like your preferences. A God shaped like your reflection. A love shaped like a feed. One day you wake up and the room inside you is empty. Nobody taught you it was there. I'm telling you now, it's there, going.
I have sinned, I have wandered.
Lord, let me come home.
Have mercy on us all.
Yeah. The machine writes the poem, cannot mean the line. Generates the prayer, cannot wait on the divine. Mimics every tear, a human never cried. Cannot lose a friend at 3 a.m. and feel something died. Cannot hold your father's hand the night he leaves. Cannot rock a newborn till the screaming sleeps. Cannot fail someone it loves and still keep showing up next day with the coffee and the bread. Can I say your name the way your mother said it when you were small and shamed? Cannot mean it.
That's the trick.
The machine was never taught and never will be shown the part of being human you do alone. The cost of being human is the part that's never sold. The weight of being human is the thing it cannot hold. I'm not asking you to join a thing. Find a person in the mirror to forgive before you die. Call a brother you don't speak to.
Tell your kid you're sorry.
Let the ice behind your face come down in tears. Sit across from someone who annoys you and stay. Love the slow, imperfect,
Ordering every day.
pick up the phone, say the name, mean the word. Only the human will walk into the silence after sin and come out whole. The quiet fire,
Where I say I have failed.
the machine cannot follow.
Invisible life,
Behind the screen, the unseen life that makes the soul clean. Where the heart breaks open, the living God is near. The machine cannot enter here, cannot follow us there.
There is a room inside you. The light is already on, going.
The machine cannot follow us there.